Yes, the cream to prevent you from UV rays. While sunburn cream is more of a corrective cream. So it corrects the damage already done to your skin. Sunblock is a must, especially if you are doing lightning products. It's a must. Even if you are not doing lightning products, it's a must.
The question is it okay? So it's always better we do this in any products.
Yes, soap, lotions, even oils.
Okay, so for the base cream, I'm not going to be making this one. I'll just start with it.
Okay.
We're going to be using base cream 150 grams. Then we're using zinc oxide solution, which is also known as SPS 50.
Okay.
Then the carrot oil is also known as it's lightens, brightens, and it's also a good sun prevention from UV rays. It's also known as SPF 30.
Yes, the cream to prevent you from
an effective whitening oil. Also, they will be using citroclear, because I'm working with whitening oil, so that we will not have skin reactions like skin veins and things like that. So citroclear will help us reduce all form of skin reaction, and it's also a clarifying oil. An effective whitening oil. Also, they will be using citroclear, because I'm working with whitening oil, so that we will not have skin reactions like skin veins and things like that. So citroclear will help us reduce all form of skin reaction, and it's also a clarifying oil. An effective.
close with gas. Melted, has turned to oil. That's actually